Good morning students. Today we are going to learn chapter 3 computer virus and our learning objectives are what is computer virus, what does computer virus do, indication of virus infection and types of computer virus. What is a computer virus? Now in those days we are getting infected by viral fever and these viral fevers are caused due to virus attack in our body. These viruses enter our body very silently without our knowledge. That means we are not having awareness that our body is get infected by virus. And once virus entered in our body, they multiply themselves and they spread in our body and make us weak. Similarly, a computer virus is a small computer software or program that attack a computer system. So a computer virus is a small software program that is spread from one computer to another computer and that interfere with computer operations. A computer virus may corrupt or delete data on a computer. Use an email program to spread the virus to other computers or even delete everything on the hard disk. That means computer virus is a software that corrupt our computer system or delete the data or information or software stored in our computer system, or they change the format of files. That means computer virus is doing harmful or illegal activities in the computer system which it has infected. Now what does a computer virus do? Computer virus try to control the computer system it has infected. And once computer virus entered in computer system, they multiplies themselves. That means they create copies of itself very quickly and they start doing harmful or illegal activities inside the computer. That means they are corrupting operating system, deleting file, changing the formats of file and creating sounds, showing the uninstalled files and all that. Some viruses have present date and time at which they are programmed to activate themselves. Until that they do the normal work in our computer system and they check continuously the system clock, and when their date and time are met they get activated and start performing harmful activities inside our computer. Now causes of virus, how virus enter in our computer system. The first is infected flash drives or disk. Flash drives like CDs, DVDs or pen drives are main causes of spreading viruses. A virus can also be copied from one computer to other when user copies infected files using pen drives or CD or DVDs. That means if our CD or DVD is already having virus and we open some file from CDs or DVDs into another computer system, then these viruses also entered that computer system. So this way virus spread through pen drives, CD or DVDs. Second is email attachments. Many viruses spread through emails. An email may contain an infected file attachment. Virus can spread if the user opens and downloads an email attachments, means the file like the Word file or image or presentation file or anything that is attached. That means that send with the emails. When the user downloads that file that he getting from the email, then these viruses are also installed in our system and they destroy our hard disk or may send to other email addresses automatically. Now the third is infected websites. There are many insecure websites. Those can infect computer with viruses. Some websites are developed to spread virus or other harmful materials. These virus is transferred to the user computer when these material is downloaded, and their websites may access the computer automatically when the user visit them through the network. Virus can spread if an infected computer is connected to a network. The internet is an example of such network. When a user downloads a file infected with virus from the internet, the virus is copied to the computer. It may infect other file also. Those are stored on that computer. Now the next is pirated software. An illegal copy of software is called pirated software. A variety of pirated software is available in CDs, and many are downloaded from the internet. If user installed a pirated software containing virus, then virus can spread from one computer to other computer. Some companies intentionally add virus in the software. The virus is automatically activated if the user uses the software without purchasing license. And this way virus enter in our computer system. Now the indication of computer infection. How we will know that our computer system is infected by virus. First is, a program takes longer than usual time to load, and memory intensive operations take a lot of time to start. That means our system take much time to load. Then hard disk drive shows no space though there is enough space. That means our system having enough space, but hard disk is showing that memory is full. The file format changes on their own when you try to access them. That means suppose we are trying to access a Word file, but we see that Word file is changes to image file, or image file is changes to some other files. That means the format of file changes automatically. Then new file keep appearing on the system, but you do not know where they came from. That means some new file or new program is coming, and we are not knowing from where that program or files are coming, as we are not copied, we are not created, or we are not downloaded that files, but they are coming. Then the file on the computer start getting deleted on their own. Our important files automatically they are deleted, we are not finding, and file have strange names, do not recognize. That means the file name will change automatically, and we don't know from where these names came or who renamed the files. Then computer unexpectedly start rebooting. That means suppose we are working in a computer system and suddenly it automatically restarted, and again it doing the same, restarting the computer. Inability to access the hard drive or disk drive. That means we are not able to access data stored in hard disk. The computer frequently stop responding. That means we are working and suddenly computer showing that computer is not responding. It automatically switch off. Installed memory become less without any reason. That is, memory is getting full without any reason. So these are the indicators or that shows that our system is getting infected by virus. Now the kinds of viruses. There are different type of viruses like boot sector virus, program virus, macro virus, multi-parted virus, Trojan, worm and malvirus. Kind of viruses we will learn tomorrow, and today's explanation I am ending here. Thank you.